Now they've abandoned coming.
He's taking photo there.
জয় অং বিষ্ণুপাদ জগৎগুরু শিলা ভক্তি সুন্দর গোবিন্দ দেব গোস্বামী মহারাজ কি জয়। বিশ্ববরেণ্য শিলা গুরু মহারাজ কি জয়। জয় অং বিষ্ণুপাদ পরমহংস কুলচূড়ামণি জগৎগুরু শিলা ভক্তি রক্ষক শ্রীধর দেব গোস্বামী মহারাজ কি জয়। জয় সপরিকর শ্রী শ্রী গুরু গৌরাঙ্গ গান্ধর্ব গোবিন্দ সুন্দর জিউ কি জয়। জয় অং বিষ্ণুপাদ ভগবান শ্রী শিলা ভক্তি সিদ্ধান্ত সরস্বতী গোস্বামী প্রভুপাদ কি জয়। অং বিষ্ণুপাদ জগৎগুরু শিলা গৌর কিশোর দাস বাবাজি মহারাজ কি জয়। শিলা ভক্তিবিনোদ ঠাকুর কি জয়। সর্বশ্রী জগন্নাথ দাস বাবাজি মহারাজ কি জয়। রূপানুগ গুরুবর্গ কি জয়। নমঃ হরিদাস ঠাকুর কি জয়। বৃন্দে দেবী তুলসী দেবী ভক্তি দেবী কি জয়। শ্যামকুণ্ড রাধাকুণ্ড শ্রীগিরি গোবর্ধন কি জয়। মায়াপুর ধাম নবীধাম কি জয়। বৃন্দাবন মথুরা কি জয়। পুরুষোত্তম ক্ষেত্র কি জয়। বলদেব জগন্নাথ জিউ কি জয়। অল দ্য অ্যাসেম্বলিজ ডিভোটিস কি জয়। হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয়। সমাগত শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়। জয় চৈতন্য সরস্বতী মঠ ব্রাজিল কি জয়। চৈতন্য সরস্বতী গোবিন্দ সেবাশ্রম ব্রাজিল কি জয়। অল দ্য অ্যাসেম্বলিজ ডিভোটিস কি জয়। অল দ্য ব্রাজিলিয়ান ডিভোটিস কি জয়। হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয়। সমাগত শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়। সপাশ নিত্যানন্দ শপথ মহাপ্রভু কি জয়। হরিনাম সংকীর্তন কি জয়। সমাগত শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়। জয় শ্রীমদ ভক্তি ভবন জনার্দন মহারাজ কি জয়। ভক্তি কুসুম আশ্রম মহারাজ কি জয়। শ্রীমদ ভক্তি বিজয় ত্রিবিক্রম মহারাজ কি জয়। অল দ্য অ্যাসেম্বলিজ ডিভোটিস কি জয়। হরিনামের সংকীর্তন কি জয়। সমাগত শ্রী গৌর ভক্ত বৃন্দ কি জয়। নিতাই গৌর প্রেমানন্দে হরি হরি বল।
Jaya Om Shnupada Paramahansa Parivajacharya Varasuttara Sachi Shimachila Bhakti Nirmal Acharya Deva Goswami Maharaja Ki Jai. Shilacharya Deva Ki Jai. Gaur Premanande.
বন্দেহং শ্রী গুরু শ্রীযুতপদ কমলং শ্রী গুরুন বৈষ্ণবাং চ শ্রীরূপং সাগর জাতাং সহগণ রঘুনাথং বিতং তং সজীবং সাদ্বৈতং সাবধূতং পরিজন সহিতং শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য দেবং শ্রী রাধা কৃষ্ণ পদান সহগণ ললিতা শ্রী বিশাখান্বিতং চ ওং অজ্ঞানতিমিরান্ধস্য জ্ঞানাঞ্জন শলাকয়া চক্ষুর্মৃতং যেন তস্मै শ্রী গুরুবে নমঃ। গুরুবাভীষ্ট সুপরকং গুরু গুণারৈষং ভূষিতং চিন্তা চিন্ত সমস্ত বেদ নিপুণং শ্রীরূপ পন্থানুগম গোবিন্দ বিমুজ্জ্বলং ব্রতুনং ভক্তং বিতনং সুন্দরং বন্দে বিশ্বগুরঞ্চ দিব্য ভগবৎ প্রম্ন হি বিজয়প্রদম দেবং দিব্যতনং সুচন্দ বদনং বলার্কে চিলাঞ্চিতং সান্দ্রানন্দপুরং সদক বরণং বৈরাগ্য বিদ্যাম বিধিম শ্রী সিদ্ধান্ত নিধিং সুভক্তিলসিতং সারস্বত্য নম্বরং বন্দে তং শুভদং মদেক শরণং নেশিশ্বরং শ্রীধরম বঞ্চা কল্পতরুভর্চ কৃপা সিন্ধুভ্যেব চ পৈদনং পাবনে ভো বৈষ্ণবে ভো নমো নমঃ। বৃন্দায় তুলসী দেব্যই প্রিয়ায় কেশবৈশ্বৈ চ কৃষ্ণ ভক্তি প্রদে দেবী সত্যবৈত্যৈ নমো নমঃ। অথনত্ত মন্ত্র গুরুন গুরুন ভাগবত দান ব্যাসান জগৎ সপরিকর শ্রী শ্রী গুরু গৌরাঙ্গ গান্ধর্ব গোবিন্দ সুন্দর পাদ পদ্মনং জয়স্তু। বন্দে রূপ সনাতন রঘুযুগ শ্রীজীব গোপালক শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য প্রভু নিত্যানন্দ শ্রী অদ্বৈত গদাধর শিবসাদী শ্রী গৌর ভক্তবৃন্দ। হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে হরে। জয় জয় গুরুদেবের আরতি উজ্জ্বল জয় জয় গুরুদেবের আরতি উজ্জ্বল জয় জয় গুরুদেবের আরতি উজ্জ্বল জয় জয় গুরুদেবের আরতি উজ্জ্বল। গোবর্ধন পাদ পিঠে ভুবন মঙ্গল দারুণ সংসার তাহে ডুবাইল বুঝি কেসে হি ইজ টেলিং উই আর ফলেন সোল আই এম ফলেন সোল ফর আস হি ইজ টেলিং নর্তন দাস ঠাকুর ইজ নট ফলেন সোল নর্তন দাস ঠাকুর টোল্ড ইউ নো দ্যাট when Mahaprabhu went to Bangladesh going to Bangladesh way like this. It's Narottam Das Thakur born in Bangladesh, Kheturi Dham, Sripat Kheturi Dham. And when Mahaprabhu went there, that time he not born. After many years he born, after 200 years. When Mahaprabhu went there, tell them.
Narottama Thakur, na verdade, ele está falando isso, mas ele está se lamentando. Mas, na verdade, ele nasceu em Keturidham, que é em Bangladesh. Mas ele nasceu 200 anos depois que Mahaprabhu teve nessa região.
And like this Ganges, it is Ganga River. It is telling always India Ganga River. When it is going to Bangladesh, it is telling name Padma.
E o rio Ganges, quando ele passa por Bangladesh, ele recebe o nome de Padma.
And Mahaprabhu went that river in the bank of the river. Mahaprabhu went that river.
E Mahaprabhu foi até o rio Padma.
And like this, east side, like this is the east side, this is the east. And then when Mahaprabhu, like his Ganga is from India to Bangladesh is the east side.
E que Mahaprabhu foi para o lado oriental de Bangladesh.
And then he went to the bank of the Ganges.
E ele foi às margens do rio Ganges.
And he took some water.
E ele pegou alguma água do rio Ganges.
And taking water in the hands and then throwing in this again to the Padma river.
E ele pegou essa água do rio Ganges, ao mesmo tempo que ele pegou a água do Ganges, ele retornou jogando a água de volta para o rio Padma, ou rio Ganges.
And he is shouting, Narottam, 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 shouting like this.
E ele gritou, Narottam, Narottam, Narottam.
And nobody is saying, where is Narottam? No one is Narottam here.
E todo mundo que estava perto pensou assim, mas aqui não tem ninguém com esse nome Narottam.
After 200 years, more than 200 years, Narottam Das Thakur born.
E depois de 200 anos, Narottam Das Thakur nasceu.
And then he is the main devotee of like Mahaprabhu's, associate of Mahaprabhu.
E ele é uma das grandes personalidades, um dos associados de Mahaprabhu principais.
And he sung many songs is there.
E tem muitos livros, muitas canções que ele escreveu.
Are vidhi baro balavan na shunne dharma gyan vidhi baro balavan na shunne karanale অনাথ কাতরে তেই কান্দে অনাথ দারুণ সংসার নিধি তাহে ডুবাইল বিধি উই আর fallen soul, we are always attached with the family life or the family life, we are attached with family life. Prabhu, please take my hair and pull out from that.
Nós somos, isso Narottama Das Thakur falando, nós somos muito caídos e temos muito apego à vida familiar. Por favor, meu senhor, puxe-me pelo cabelo dessa condição material.
Vidhi baro balavan, it is very, my mind is very disturbance, it is very strong. Not hearing good association, not hearing any good things, always very strong mind, not going to the good association, not hearing to any good Harikatha or Krishna Katha like this, Dharma Gyan. They are not hearing any religious knowledge.
Minha mente é muito teimosa, é muito forte, e ela não permite que eu ouça nenhum tema sobre a consciência de Krishna, nenhum tema espiritual.
I am not seeing I can rescue, I can knowledge because I can like purify, I can Krishna can take me, but I do not know. But why everything I seeing so much sorrow, I am very unhappy, I am so much sad. I am so much sad for that. I am crying for you. I am orphan.
Eu me sinto muito triste, eu me sinto como um órfão. E se eu vou ser resgatado pelo Senhor, eu não sei, mas eu me sinto muito triste, muito como um órfão.
That is actually that is our position like this, not telling for us.
Na verdade, Narottama Das Thakur, ele está mostrando a nossa posição, não a dele.
Are kam kordha loba moho madaya abhimano saho kam kordha loba moho madaya abhimano aponoy sthane tane aponoy আর ওইসা নয় আমার মন ফিরে যেন অন্ধজন ওইসা নয় আমার মন সুপত বিপত নাহি জানে we are attached like this six ripu, calm, kordulov, greedy, anger, everything. We have attachment, everything, and we are ego. We have some jealousy mood. For that, there are six ripu. They're always pulling me. I'm alone, always six person. If I pulling me six, what would be my position?
E que esses 6 inimigos que nós temos, que é Kama, Loba, Kroda, que são 6 inimigos da alma, estão sempre me puxando para um lado, para o outro. E o ego é tão poderoso que destrói. Então você imagina, se 6 pessoas estivessem me puxando, cada uma para um lado, o que seria de mim?
Through that, my mind became blind. My mind became blind.
Dessa forma, minha mente se tornou cega.
But I do not know it is not which is the good way, what is the wrong right way, what is the wrong way.
E dessa maneira eu não sei qual é o lado correto para seguir e qual é o lado equivocado.
What can I do, Prabhu? Can you tell me what is my position, my position?
Por favor, meu senhor, o senhor pode me dizer qual é a minha verdadeira posição?
Naloinu shoto moto yosote mojilo chitto. Naloinu shoto moto Tuapaye nakorinu ya. Naloinu shoto moto means we are not taking the what honest things, what our good association, what they take, giving to us good advice. We are not did not take the good advice. Always my mind is going to the dishonest person.
Minha mente está sempre caminhando em direção a pessoas desonestas. Ela nunca tem a pretensão de se associar com pessoas que me dão bons conselhos e que me ajudam, que me auxiliam na minha vida espiritual. A tendência natural dela é me associar com pessoas desonestas.
अरे नरोत्तम दासे कय देखी सुनी लागे भाई नरोत्तम दासे कय आई तराइया लह निज अरे अधम दासे कय देखी सुनी लागे भाई अधम दासे कय अरे तराइया लह निज पास तराइया আরে অধম দাসে কয় দেখি শুনি লাগে ভাই অধম করাইয়া Maharaj, you did not like sun?
Huh?
Sun is very nice.
Yes. We like sun.
Maybe for your condition, son.
No problem.
You can
Sun means life.
you like here?
Yes, very
Some you are sitting also room.
good. No, it's very good here, thank you.
Okay.
very
But
good.
take some relax here.
No, very
Through this
nice. to
some
be-
kirtan. Sravanang kirtanang saranang bandhanang. Daisya sakya atmanivedanam. This is our life.
Yes.
Sravanang Kirtanang. That is Kirtan. It is necessary for our life. I told many times. That is our main 64 Bhaktango. 64 Bhaktango, but we cannot following the 64. But main is 5 is have to follow.
Que nós não temos condições de seguir as 64 maneiras do serviço devocional, mas pelo menos 5 nós temos condições.
Mathura Vas means you have to stay in Mathura.
Mathura Bhas significa que você deve viver em Mathura.
But this is Mathura.
Mas aqui é Mathura.
Because where the devotees are here, Krishna always appeared there.
Porque onde estão os devotos, Krishna sempre se manifesta lá.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is appeared here by hand of Gurudev.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu apareceu aqui nesse ashram pelas mãos de Gurudeva.
Krishna himself told, I am staying where? 4 places.
Krishna mesmo disse, eu permaneço em 3 lugares.
Where is that place? When is cooking kitchen. Shashima Randhan Shala. When Shashimata is cooking, that time I am staying there.
Aonde Satimata cozinha, eu vou estar ali.
Yes, that is truth, fact.
Isso
It
é
is not
fato.
joking. It is not joking.
Ele não está brincando, não é uma brincadeira, não é uma piada.
Shashima Randhan Shala. Nityananda Prabhu Norton. When Nityananda is dancing with these 2 hands, that Krishna is appeared there.
Aonde Nityananda Prabhu está dançando com as 2 mãos erguidas, então Krishna está ali presente também.
And Srivas Angan, when Srivas Angan Mahaprabhu told, I am going now Puri, but here Srivas, when you every day evening kirtan, I will appear there. You can see me.
E mesmo quando Mahaprabhu foi para Puri, ele falou para
When Mahaprabhu told
Shrivas Pandita, quando ele falou para Shrivas Pandita, eu estou indo para Puri, mas toda vez que você fizer kirtana na sua casa, eu aparecerei por lá.
And then when another place Raghava Bhavan. Raghava Bhavan means always from his when came back Raghav Pandit when came back from Puri, his house near Calcutta. That time his house is Damayanti. Raghav sister Damayanti always cooking for Mahaprabhu. Always cooking means he's keeping like some chutney, like some achar, with some jelly from mango. He always keeping, oh, next year we'll go to Puri, I'm keeping for them. Mahaprabhu.
E a irmã de Raghava Pandita, ela também cozinhava perto de Calcutá, onde ela morava. Ela cozinhava todos os dias e sempre guardava, porque um dia ela pensava, eu vou para Puri e o dia que eu for para Puri eu vou levar tudo isso para Mahaprabhu.
I'm staying in that house.
E eu, naquela casa eu estou, Mahaprabhu falou.
When you were singing the Ekadashi sing, Are jedino grihete bhajana dekhi, grihete goloko bhai. This house, whose house is going up worshipping, that is Goloka Vrindavan.
E essa canção diz que na
Bhakti Thakur
casa...
told. Srila Bhakti Thakur told.
Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur disse nessa canção que aonde estão adorando a deidade, ali é Goloka Vrindavana.
Jedino grihete bhajana dekhi, grihete goloko bhai. Whose house is one day, if one day worshipping that house, Goloka is coming to that house.
Se um dia você adora naquela casa, faz adoração a Krishna naquela casa, então Goloka Vrindavana está naquela casa.
For that is essential. Mathura Vas and Shraddha is Sri Murti Sevan. You are worshiping the deity, it is necessary a strong faith, the strongest faith.
E quando você adora a deidade, então a mais forte fé deve permanecer com você.
Faith is 4 types of faith.
Existem 4 tipos de fé.
Kamala Shraddha, Taranga Shraddha, Dridha Shraddha, Sudhira Shraddha. Kamala Shraddha means like this. Oh, Rohini Shakti can, somebody is little bit disturbed, Rohini can tell, Oi, get out. Oh, then Rohini can tell, get out. And it is, oh, Rohini told not to come, I will not come. But you know, you heard that. When Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj doing some kirtan is like melted, something kirtan, doing something with many big tune, Sahajiya tune. And Siddhar Maharaj became, Param Guru Maharaj became angry. When Babaji Maharaj tune, doing, and Siddhar Maharaj told, Maharaj, you get out from my temple.
Então ele está falando que esse é o primeiro tipo de fé. Ele deu o exemplo assim, a Rohini que é administrando, alguém pode discordar dela, ou está fazendo alguma coisa errada, e a Rohini fala, vai embora daqui. E aí ele dá um exemplo, mas a gente tem um exemplo perfeito dessa situação, quando o Srila Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, ele estava habitando, ele estava morando no templo de Srila Sridhar Maharaj, e de alguma maneira ele aprendeu algumas melodias de canções do grupo Sahaja, e ele começou a cantar isso no templo de Srila Sridhar Maharaj. E aí Srila Sridhar Maharaj ouviu essas canções Sahajas e falou para Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, que era um grande amigo dele de muitos anos, falou, você está cantando essas canções Sahajas, você está expulso do meu templo.
And then Gurudev told Maharaj, old Babaji, old Maharaj, did some wrong, and you are chastising so heavily.
Aí Gurudeva, Srila Govinda Maharaj falou para ele, Maharaj, ele é um velho Babaji, ele não tem nem para onde ir, e ele fez alguma coisa tão simples e você está expulsando de uma forma tão violenta ele.
And Guru Maharaj told, don't worry, he will come one day.
E Srila Sridhar Maharaj falou, não se preocupe, ele voltará.
And then after 7 days, Babaji Maharaj came and shouting gate, oh Govinda Maharaj, I came.
E depois de 7 dias, Srila Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj voltou e começou a gritar no portão, oh Govinda Maharaj, eu voltei.
And Siddhar Maharaj asking to Babaji Maharaj, why you come again?
E Srila Sridhar Maharaj perguntou para Krishnadas Babaji Maharaj, por que você voltou aqui?
And he told, you told me get out, but no, he never told not to come again.
Você disse para que eu fosse embora, mas você nunca disse para que eu nunca voltasse.
That is this affection like this, you understand? That is the affection.
Afeto é isso. Isso significa afeto, relação afetuosa.
When Babaji Maharaj is going from Navadvip to Hapania, it's like 25 kilometers walking. He is going to Hapania, Siddhar Maharaj's birthplace, and singing that Pramodama sloka, Krishna, 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 Namo, Kirtanam, Ramo, Ramo, Gano, Roimo, Dibbo, Sando, Nartanam, Jatra, Tatra, Krishna, Namo, Dano, Loko, Nistaram, Premodhamo, Debo, Mebo, Naumi, Gauro, Sundaram. He is singing and singing whole Premodhamo. Whole Premodhamo sloka, 72 slokas, he is singing, and starting from Navadvip and going to Hapania. Babaji Maharaj.
E Babaji Maharaj, um dia ele foi de Navadvip para Hapania, o lugar de nascimento de Srila Sridhar Maharaj, cantando todos os versos desse livro, Premadama Deva Stotram.
25 kilometers.
São 25 quilômetros, ele entende português.
25 kilometers he is walking. And then he is walking and he is searching who is his school Siddhar Maharaj study, who is pond he is bathing, who is toilet he went to bathroom, that he is searching that kind of place.
E ele começou a averiguar onde que Srila Sridhar Maharaj tomava banho, onde era o toalete de Srila Sridhar Maharaj, aonde que ele estudou. Então ele foi de lugar em lugar como uma peregrinação, sabendo das atividades transcendentais de Srila Sridhar Maharaj.
And Siddhartha Maharaj told his god brother, Babaji, Krishna Babaji Maharaj, Maharaj, you are going my birthplace, you are my god brother, you are going my birthplace, that is okay, no problem. But why you are going my, who is playground, I am playing football, who is pond, I is bathing, why you are searching that kind of things?
E aí Srila Sridhar Maharaj perguntou para Babaji Maharaj, você foi no meu lugar de nascimento, isso aí não tem problema, até entendo, mas por que você fica querendo saber onde que eu joguei futebol, aonde que eu tomei banho, aonde era o meu toalete?
And Babaji Maharaj told Maharaj, when I am reciting your sloka, that I am my Rupa Goswami is in my eyes, I am seeing Rupa Goswami is himself that's making that sloka, and I am going to that Rupa Goswami's birthplace, everything like this.
Aí Babaji Maharaj falou para Srila Sridhar Maharaj, Maharaj, quando eu canto os shlokas do seu livro, eu vejo na minha frente Srila Rupa Goswami. Então eu não estou indo no seu lugar de nascimento, eu estou indo no lugar de nascimento de Srila Rupa Goswami.
That's this way. They are God brothers. They are God brothers. They are this way. They are mentioning. They are praising to God brother. Not just praising. It's making glorification. Yes.
E dessa maneira a gente entende como que é a glorificação do irmão espiritual.
Like this. That I told Shraddha. Kamala Shraddha. That is because Kamala Shraddha like this on lotus. I'm talking like this, hitting, and lotus is fall down.
E eu estou falando de Shraddha, que eu toco numa flor de lótus e o lótus cai.
And somebody, we are chanting holy name, and somebody criticizing, oh, why somebody is criticizing, it is, why I will do that?
E alguém, às vezes, na nossa vida espiritual, alguém faz alguma crítica, alguma coisa, e a gente já imediatamente reage.
Prabhupada Bhakti Saraswati told them, you are like elephant. Elephant is going, some dogs are barking. What problem for you?
Você, e Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur dá esse exemplo, que você é como um elefante. Se um cachorro latir para você, qual é o problema do latido do cachorro?
For that you are doing your best.
Você está fazendo o seu melhor.
You are thinking high thinking.
Você está tentando pensar de uma
That
forma
kind of a
elevada.
strong faith is necessary.
Esse tipo de fé forte é necessário.
It is not Kamala Shraddha, it is not little faith.
Isso não é uma fé pequena.
And somebody can tell, oh, I did something wrong and tell not to come. You know, like even you get out, then why I will get out? I will come and please forgive my offense, and then I will start my service.
E esse é o tipo de fé que nós queremos ver. Se alguém manda a gente embora, a gente entende que a gente fez alguma coisa errada, mas a gente não vai embora. A gente volta e fala, por favor, perdoe minhas ofensas. E aí a gente permanece no nosso serviço.
And some Taranga Shraddha like wave. Taranga Shraddha means waves, wave faith. Wave faith means like this. Oh, now all sannyasi came here. Devotees all are here coming. Oh, then after 10 years, Maharaj will not come. Next year, after 1 year, will not come in this place. Like when wind is coming, wave is coming. That wind finished, wave finished. This is kind of Shraddha.
Então, outro tipo de fé é a fé das ondas, né? Quando vem o vento, as ondas vêm. Então a gente pode pensar, agora a Acharya Maharaj está vindo aqui, então todo mundo vem. Mas aí ele só vem no ano que vem, então nós só vamos vir o ano que vem. Então significa que quando ele está aqui, todo mundo está praticando vida espiritual. Tão pronto quanto ele vai embora para a Índia, todo mundo morre espiritualmente. E esse é um tipo de fé.
And when, like when wind is coming, like you tell,
Yes.
and then like this, when we are telling some days is practicing Krishna consciousness, and other days we are all forgetting.
Então nesses dias a gente pratica a consciência de Krishna e depois que os sannyasis vão embora, a nossa consciência de Krishna morre.
And necessary, the strong faith is necessary.
É necessário Dhira Estrada, que é uma fé forte, firme.
If Gurudev told, if you like Param Guru Maharaj, Siddhartha Goswami Maharaj, when he joined the Chaitanya Math, he was in Calcutta, you know that. When he was in Calcutta, he was a student of law student, Siddhartha Maharaj, he is still.
Srila Sridhar Maharaj, quando ele se uniu à missão, ele era um estudante de direito
That time India
em
is,
Calcutá.
that time India is under government of British.
E nessa época, a Índia estava sob o jugo dos britânicos.
And then that time, he heard on Sadhu, his house, that time no temple, like little house, he is giving some lecture.
E certa vez ele ouviu que tinha um sadhu, uma pessoa santa, que dava aulas e lectures,
Giving some Harikatha.
palestras numa casa, não era um templo ainda, era uma pequena casa.
And then he went every day like this.
E ele foi todos os dias para atender a essas palestras.
And he only hearing from the behind. That man, what he is telling, he is hearing everything.
E ele ficou mais atrás, mais afastado, e tudo que esse homem falava, ele estava ouvindo com muita concentração.
But not asking any question.
Mas não fez nenhuma pergunta.
And all the devotees thinking, temple manager also thinking, that boy is coming with pant and shirt and sitting behind. He is always hearing but not asking any question. Who is that man?
E todos os devotos que estavam ao redor de Srila Sarasvati Thakur viram Srila Guru Maharaj vestido de calças e ouvindo no fundo e não fazendo nenhuma pergunta. E eles estavam perguntando entre eles, quem é esse senhor que está ali parado de pé, com roupa ocidental e não faz nenhuma pergunta, não fala nada?
And he is and they're thinking that man is maybe British DIB. You know CID? That's Goenda.
E eles pensaram assim, esse homem deve ser algum espião britânico.
And temple manager told them, hey, not to come from tomorrow.
E o administrador do templo falou para ele, olha, amanhã é melhor você não vir, a partir de amanhã você não venha, por favor.
And then they're afraid, but that man is maybe British man.
Porque eles estavam com medo que aquele homem que estava ali fosse um homem do governo, trabalhando para o governo britânico.
And then he went back and went on the bank of the river of the Ganges, and he's sitting there. What for? I am going there every day. Not food. I'm not poor man. I'm not going for food. I'm not going for anything. I'm going only that man is giving some lecture that is like nectar. What, I never heard that kind of lecture. I'm only for going that.
The Ganges River, he was near?
He was sitting in the
Ele
crying.
então, dessa maneira, Srila Siddhar Maharaj foi perto do rio Ganges e ficou pensando lá, puxa, eu não estou indo lá para comer, eu não sou um homem pobre, mas eu estou indo lá porque eu nunca tinha ouvido nada igual, nada que fosse tão super excelente, tão belo como o que essa pessoa, esse sadhu ali naquela casa está falando. É por isso que eu estou indo lá.
If we'll like sweeper sweeping like this, if like there with the broom, they will beat me, they will sweep me, I will go and I will not come back from there.
Mas se eles me varrem com uma vassoura dali, então eu vou embora e não vou voltar para aquele lugar.
And he went there.
Então ele voltou lá.
And Prabhupada told, why you did not come yesterday?
Então Srila Sarasvati Thakur Prabhupada perguntou, por que você não veio ontem?
And he did not tell anybody's faults or manager told not to come. He told, I something happened, I am busy. Like this he told.
Mas ele não dedou o administrador, ele não entregou a pessoa que mandou ele embora. Ele simplesmente falou assim, eu tive uns problemas ontem e não pude vir.
And Prabhupada already everything understood.
Mas Srila Sarasvati Thakur entendeu imediatamente o que tinha acontecido.
And that manager later he wants sannyas. He wanted sannyas from Prabhupada.
E mais tarde, esse administrador que mandou Srila Siddhar Maharaj embora, ele quis...
No. That manager who told Siddhar Maharaj not to come, that manager later he asked when temple Chaitanya, that manager he told to the Prabhupada, Prabhupada, can you give me sannyas?
Aquele administrador pediu para Prabhupada para que ele tomasse sannyasi. Você pode me dar sannyasi?
And then he understood. He told, no, you make offense to Siddhar Maharaj, you have to take sannyas from him.
Não, eu não vou te dar sannyasi. Você ofendeu Srila Siddhar Maharaj, então você vai ter que tomar sannyasi dele.
Srila Sridhar Maharaj for sannyas, but he asked Saraswati Thakur for sannyas.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. He asked sannyas from Prabhupada.
Yes,
He asked sannyas from Saraswati Thakur. He told, no, you cannot take sannyas from me. You did first day offense to Siddhar Maharaj. That his name is Ramandu that time. You have to make offense to him. You have to, after my death, you have to take sannyas from him.
Então Srila Sarasvati Thakur falou, você ofendeu Srila Siddhar Maharaj, então apenas depois que eu abandonar o corpo, você vai pedir sannyasi diretamente para Srila Siddhar Maharaj.
Vaishnava offense always like this, Vaishnava aparad.
Isso chama Vaishnava parada, e ela tem esses tipos de reação.
Even that time he did not take initiation, also happened Vaishnava offense. Even he did not take initiation, Siddhar Maharaj. That time also Vaishnava happens.
Imagina que mesmo que Srila Siddhar Maharaj ainda não tinha tomado iniciação de Srila Sarasvati Thakur, ainda assim, aquilo foi uma ofensa a um Vaishnava.
Understand? That is Vaishnava's quality.
E essas são as qualidades do Vaishnava.
Okay, that is strongest faith. And strongest faith, who has, you know that? Haridas Thakur.
Então,
Srila
esses-
Haridas Thakur told his strongest faith. They've beaten in 22 markets. Baish Bazaar, 22 markets they've beaten. They tell him not to say Hare Krishna. They're telling, hey, not to say Hare Krishna. He tells Hare Krishna. They tell again with the stick they're beating, not to say Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
E isso é esse tipo de fé que nós temos que ter, como a de Srila Haridas Thakur. Ele foi espancado em 22 mercados e os guardas batiam nele com uma vara e falavam, não é para falar Hare Krishna. E ele falava Hare Krishna e pau nele. E aí não é para falar Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna e mais pau nele. Durante 22 mercados.
That is called strongest faith.
Isso se chama fé firme.
Strongest faith. That
Fé
is necessary. That is necessary for our Krishna consciousness.
E isso é necessário para a nossa consciência de Krishna, para o desenvolvimento da nossa consciência de Krishna.
And Bhagavad Sravan Vaishnavasthana, and you have to read the Bhagavatam under guidance of bona fide Vaishnava.
E vocês têm que ler o Srimad Bhagavatam sob a guia de um mestre espiritual fidedigno.
For that I am telling to everybody, Sravanam Kirtanam is the main thing in your spiritual life.
Por isso que eu digo que Shravanam Kirtana, ouvir e cantar, é a coisa principal na vida espiritual de todos vocês.
If you practicing the good way, practicing makes perfect. Practice the good way, right way, then you can go your real home.
Se vocês praticam da maneira correta, então vocês podem voltar ao seu lar verdadeiro.
Krishna is crying. Krishna is crying for us.
Krishna está chorando por nós.
Lord is crying for us.
O Senhor está chorando por nós.
We are His loving Lord servant, lost son.
Nós somos o seu servo querido que está perdido.
Kabe amaye Madhav ashibe, kabe amaye koribe sevan. You are thinking that Mahaprabhu is here. You are thinking on doll like this. That is wrong idea.
Se você pensa que Mahaprabhu é simplesmente um boneco de madeira, isso é uma concepção completamente equivocada.
For that I am telling to the devotees, that is, you make the worship in the deity. Gurudev always telling, in your house, not to make deity, because you have to go outside, you have to go, cannot feed to the deity, cannot give to cannot cook always time. But for that, not necessary to always your house, not deity.
Por isso que Gurudeva sempre falou que na sua casa não é necessário ter deidades, porque você tem que trabalhar, você tem muitas coisas para fazer e não pode manter a deidade.
For that deities, if you make the deity in your house, you have to worshiping the very right way.
Se você tem a deidade na sua casa, você tem que adorar da maneira apropriada.
For that is necessary for our spiritual life. Shraddha Sri Murti Sevan, that is one of them, Bhaktango.
E isso por isso é importante para nós, firme fé e adoração à deidade.
For that Krishna, I told, Kabeyamai Madhavashive, that deity, Gopal told, Krishna's great grandson, Vajranabho, Krishna's great grandson, Vajranabho, that established that he is the founder of that Gopal. That Gopal, when Madhavendra Puri got that Gopal, got that Gopal, and Gopal that day told, Gopal told, oh Madhav, I am waiting for you, when you will come and when you will pick up me from this jungle.
E uma deidade que o bisneto de Krishna instalou, depois teve uma relação muito íntima com Madhavendra Puri, e Gopal chorava para ele. Quando que você vai vir aqui me resgatar da floresta? Porque Gopal estava perdido numa floresta.
And that Gopal is, before his founded by whom? That's Vajranabha, Krishna's great grandson.
E esse Gopal, ele era adorado pelo bisneto de Krishna antes.
For that, actually we are thinking, we born Brazilian, we are Hindu, we are Muslim, we are Christian, we are actually not. We came from the same place.
E a gente está pensando agora que nós somos brasileiros, nós somos hindus, nós somos mexicanos, americanos, mas isso está completamente errado. Nós viemos do mesmo lugar.
For that, by practicing the good way, that bhakti jog, it is necessary to our life, then we can go and same place, we can enjoy there.
E porque nós viemos do mesmo local, se nós praticarmos da forma correta, nós podemos voltar juntos para o mesmo local, onde é nosso local apropriado.
Yes, I can whole night day can say. If they sit, I can tell whole night, no problem.
Ele falou que se vocês sentarem aqui, ele pode falar Krishna Katha para vocês o dia inteiro, a noite inteira.
That is my life.
Essa é a vida dele.
Prabhupada told Pranasesar Sehetu Prachar. how much I live here, I can tell Hari
Enquanto
Katha.
ele tiver vida aqui, ele pode falar a consciência de Krishna para vocês.
That is Gurudev's until death. When he is going to die, until death he makes service.
Ele falou que Gurudeva, até o momento da última gota de energia dele no corpo, ele praticou a consciência de Krishna. But some prasada.
Oh, prasadam. Coming prasadam. You chant Hare Krishna, prasadam will come. Don't worry about
Ó, ele
prasadam.
está falando que se vocês cantarem Hare Krishna, a prasada vai cair no colo de vocês.